Hello, hi friends, iTech here, and in this video let's talk about Microsoft Series X and Series S pre-order dates and pricing in India. Microsoft's new generations of consoles Xbox Series X and Series S will be available for pre-order from September 22nd onwards. Xbox Series S and Series X will launch in 37 countries on November 10th. In India, the pre-order for the brand new console will be available from 9 a.m. on Amazon, Flipkart and Reliance digital online store. The Xbox Series X is priced at 49,990 rupees, while the Xbox Series S will cost you around 34,990 rupees. Here is the complete list of Xbox Series X and Series S hardware specification. Xbox Series X comes with 12 teraflops of GPU performance, ray tracing and variable rate shading, a custom designed CPU, 1 TB SSD. The console will also support 8K gaming and frame rates up to 120. On the other hand, Xbox Series S will have 512 GB SSD capability of running games at 1440 up to 120 frame per second with support for ray tracing. As far as the size is concerned, the Xbox Series S is around 60% smaller than Xbox Series X, and it also is a digital console ditching the disk drive. Friends, which console will you buy? Series X or Series S? Do let us know your opinions in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. Please subscribe to our iTech channel for more tech videos. Stay safe and thank you for watching iTech.